If your outlet is near a water source and it does not have a ground fault circuit interrupter, you are putting yourself at serious risk of electrical shock or fire. So the first thing you want to do is check if your outlet is actually close enough to water to need GFCI protection. Bathrooms, kitchens, laundry rooms, and outdoor spots near pools or fountains are the usual suspects. Next, you gotta turn off the power at the breaker box before messing with any outlets. That part is crucial for safety. Grab a GFCI outlet from your local home improvement store. They are pretty affordable and easy to find. When you install it, make sure you connect the wires exactly as instructed. The line wires go to the screw terminals labeled line, and if there's a load side, that's for protecting additional outlets downstream. Don't forget to test your new GFCI outlet using the built-in test button after installation to make sure it is working properly. If wiring feels confusing or you're not confident, it's a smart move to call a licensed electrician instead of risking it yourself. Keeping your home safe from electrical hazards is worth every bit of effort and money. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outlets near water sources is ignoring the need for GFCI protection altogether, which can lead to dangerous shocks or fires. Another common issue is incorrect installation, like mixing up line and load wires, causing the outlet not to trip when it should. The fix here is double-checking wiring or hiring a pro. A third problem is skipping the test after installing the GFCI, so you might think it is protecting you when it actually isn't. Always press that test button to be sure it cuts power like it's supposed to. BigHomeProjects.com is a great place for homeowners to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and follow safety codes. Contractors also get more work by connecting with people who need reliable help for projects like upgrading outlets near water sources.